Image is to pixelated as a song is to underscore. The closest I could think of is low quality, but that is not as specific as I'd like. It could also mean that the music is bad. Example. I like this song, but you should really get the CD. This sounds underscore.
Downsampled is the literal equivalent for sound. In both cases, pixelation and downsampling, analog reality is overly quantized, leading to perceptible artifacts. In the particular example sentence, though, I might say this sounds like a bad rip.
Lo-fi, from low fidelity. The production or reproduction of audio characterized by an unpolished or rough sound quality, NW of sound reproduction, of or giving an impression of poor quality, Collins. Also lo-fi and lo-fi, TFD. Wikipedia. A type of sound recording which contains technical flaws that make the recording sound different compared with the live sound being recorded, such as distortion, hum, background noise, or limited frequency response. In digital audio, the term lo-fi usually refers to an audio file with a lower bit rate or sampling rate, and thus a lower sound quality.
Distorted. From the Free Dictionary, emphasis mind. Electronics, electronics A. An undesired change in the shape of an electromagnetic wave or signal B. The result of such a change in waveform, ESB, a loss of clarity in radio reception or sound reproduction. Distortion can be caused by a variety of methods, one of which is downsampling, which is digitally analogous to pixelation. Overuse of lossy compression can also cause distortion. It covers all use cases of bad audio that is not related to the actual music being played.
Another, slightly more technical, option is lossy. Reference.
At first I thought garbled, but that's more about distortion. Low quality sound, especially music, sounds tinny. An example is music on a telephone. The audio has been through a low pass filter, so it doesn't sound as rich as it should.